What's the meaning of bus lane? Bus lane. Bus lane.
Bus lane. Bus lane. A bus lane is a section of road that is reserved specifically for buses during certain times or all day, allowing them to bypass regular traffic and improve their speed and efficiency. Often marked with painted lines or signs, bus lanes can be found on busy city streets and highways alike, and may be accompanied by other measures such as priority traffic signals or dedicated bus stops. The goal of these lanes is to make public transportation more attractive and reliable, thereby reducing congestion and emissions from private vehicles. However, they can also create conflicts with other drivers and require careful planning and enforcement to be effective.